In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to enable Greeks in Webull Desktop. So let's get started. So now here we are on Webull, and the first thing that you would want to do is that you want to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. It's very important. So go here into the settings on the top left and go into general and go into about. So make sure it's updated so that you'd have the feature right here that we're going to discuss. Now, once you're sure that it is updated, next thing is that you just simply want to go here into search and then search for the stock that you would want to use the Greeks on. So basically, I'm just going to go for Apple, just for an example right here, which is this one. I'm going to click on that. And then from here is that you basically just want to go here into the options tab. Once you're here, you would want to find this one right here. It says option items right here. So it's really small, but yeah, it should be right here on the leftmost or rightmost, depending on the version of the app that you have. So I'm going to click here. And then once you have this, is that you just simply would want to preview the selected items here already. And as you can see, I already have some of the Greeks right here, which is the delta, gamma, and theta. And now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to be able to see more Greeks right here. This one right here. I'm going to check all Greeks. And now I will be adding the Vega and Rho. And yeah, basically it is now added right here. So now I have all the Greeks in here. You could also check or not include some of the Greeks right here. Like for example, I would not include the Theta and the Vega right there. And then as you can see, it's now not included. And now I can click here on done. And then you should now be able to see that updated here into the interface. Now, if you are wondering on how this would help, is that they would help you forecast risk and reward before placing a trade. So delta is foreseeing how much the option price moves with the stock, and gamma would let you see how fast delta changes. And theta would be for time decay, Vega for sensitivity to volatility, and Rho for sensitivity to interest rates. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.